Hey guys, today I'll be doing a review on this portable buddy heater, this Mr. Heater. The box, they call it a Buddy Red. It's a portable propane heater. Takes those little disposable propane canisters. Here's some of the features of it. Easy grip handle, low and high heat setting. It's got a heavy wire guard. Runs on the 1 pound propane cylinders. It says 4,000 to 9,000 BTU. That's British thermal units. Heats up to 225 square feet. So I won't be using it for applications that big right off the bat. I'll use this for hunting in a blind. So we'll go ahead and open this up. Okay, it's got the directions in there. Pull this out. All right, it comes with this nice handle here. Flip up, flip down. That's great. Super light. I mean, this thing's super light. Even with the full propane canister on there, it's going to be light. Got the guard there. Okay, this kind of tells you how to light it on the back here, which we'll go over. And the propane canister just screws right in there. Let's give it a shot. I'm just going to be using one of these little propane canisters from Coleman. Okay, when you get these canisters, make sure you pop that plastic top off of there. That way this just threads right on there. All right, one of the cool things they did is they made it so that when you thread it on, you can have it out like that, and then it just tilts down like that. That is great. Then when you want to take it out, move it like that and unscrew it. So make sure that's just nice and hand tight there. And we'll go ahead and fire it up. So you got a low setting and a high right there. Pilot right there. That's nice. All right, to use this thing, after you got your propane canister on there nice and tight, so you take your knob and push it down. Actually, just take it, don't push it down yet. Take it, go to pilot, and then push that down, and watch this. It'll click, and you see that pilot comes on. Just hold that there for a minute. You let it off and it goes out. Just hold it down for longer. Now you can move it out to your setting and push it down just a little bit. There's our low setting. There it goes. You can see the thing kicked on. It doesn't go whoosh or anything like that. Kind of slowly heats up, and it's already putting off some nice heat. Oh, that's nice. And that's just the low setting. Obviously, if you want to move it to high, just kind of push it down a little bit. There's high. Okay. Push it down, back to low. Oh, that's putting off some nice heat. That baby's nice. And if you want to turn it off, just come over here. Off. See that pilot light went off? All right, let's do it again. Let's go back on. Push it down just a little bit. Now push it to pilot. Okay. Push it down a little bit more. There's our low. This thing's great. Yeah, still nice and light, and you know, it's not too offset. It's not too offset with the canister on there. Oh, that is going to be nice. That's going to do a good job of heating up my blind, my deer blind, my turkey blind. Have that baby sitting in there when I get cold. So there we go. All right, you guys should get one of these. These are super nice. Fairly inexpensive, lightweight, easy to use, readily available propane canisters, and it's very efficient too, so safe as well. Okay, according to the paperwork that came along with it, it's got a tip switch on it. So let's see if we just happen to tip it over, what happens. We're just gonna kind of ease it over this way. Yep, oh, we knocked it over, there we go. Pilot goes out, thing is totally off. So that's nice. So make sure we go ahead and turn it off, turn it back to pilot, take it back on, put it on low again, there it is. Oh yeah, see it start to heat up. I'm going to show you something with the lights out. There it is with the lights out, and here's the safety switch again demonstrated. Hey, thanks a lot. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. Go out and get one of these things if you don't have one. You need a little portable heater. They're great. All right, take care.